India's space ambitions are reaching new frontiers and drawing global attention. From the success of Chandrayaan-3 to preparations for the Gaganyaan mission, the country is redefining its role in space exploration. Driving this momentum is a new generation of young innovators developing cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future of India's space ecosystem.
3, 2, 1, 0.
India's recent space milestones have sparked a new wave of innovation among its youth. Inspired by missions such as Chandrayaan-3, Aditya L1 and Gaganyaan, young minds are helping shape the next generation of space technologies. At Space Kids India in Chennai, students go beyond textbooks, designing rockets, building satellites and gaining hands-on experience with real-world space missions.
I love missiles, so I really wanted to build missiles. So there is a very small gap between missiles and rockets. So in order to bridge it, Space Kids give me the opportunity to build rockets. So we have already launched 2 rockets. Those are solid propulsion rockets. And now we are under R&D of electric rocket.
Space Kids India has pioneered several student-led space missions. Among its landmark achievements is Kalamsat, one of the world's lightest and earliest 3D printed satellites. Initiatives like Azadi Sat have introduced thousands of students to hands-on space technology, giving them the opportunity to contribute to real missions instead of only learning about the space in the classroom.
नासा के ज़रिए हमने ये दुनिया के हल्का सा पेलोड है। बच्चों को पेलोड समझ में नहीं आता, तो इसीलिए हम सैटेलाइट बोलते हैं, क्योंकि सैटेलाइट मतलब ऑर्बिट करना है अर्थ को। ये पैराबोला है, ऊपर जाके नीचे आ गया। तो इसको जब हम लॉन्च किए थे 2017 में, एकदम हलचल मच गया देश में कि बच्चों के ज़रिए सैटेलाइट्स बना सकते हैं।
As India's space ecosystem continues to expand, more young innovators are stepping into the sector than ever before. Dr. Srimati Kisan believes the next chapter of space exploration will be shaped by young talents, bold ideas, and breakthrough technologies.
जब हम शुरू किए थे, बस हम 2 स्टार्टअप्स थे। स्टार्टअप का नाम भी नहीं था, शब्द भी नहीं था। तब हम आए थे, मतलब 2013 में। अभी 350 स्टार्टअप्स है।
We now take you to IIT Madras, where a student-led Mars rover team is pushing the boundaries of space technology through robotics, artificial intelligence, and autonomous systems. These young engineers are developing solutions for future planetary missions, exploring how advanced rovers could support space exploration. Recently, the team conducted experiments at the Physical Research Laboratory Ahmedabad, focusing on future rover-astronaut collaboration.
स्पेस मिशन में वी हैव मेंटेनेंस का टास्क। तो मेंटेनेंस में आपका ये जो आप देख रहे हैं मैनिपुलेटर, पूरा ये शोल्डर, ये एंड इफेक्टर, तो ये एंड इफेक्टर कोशिश करता है कि बहुत सारे टास्क कर सके। जैसे कि एस्ट्रोनॉट को, अगर एस्ट्रोनॉट किसी जगह पे नहीं जा सकता है तो वहाँ पे हम इस रोवर को भेजते हैं। वहाँ पर ये कुछ बटन स्विच ऑन कर सकता है, स्विच ऑफ कर सकता है, कोई इक्विपमेंट उठा सकता है। हमारे इस मैनिपुलेटर में इतनी क्षमता है कि वो 5 kg तक उठा सकता है।
Inspired by missions like Chandrayaan and Gaganyaan, India's young generation is no longer just dreaming of the stars. They are building the technologies that will take the nation closer to them. From classrooms to research labs, young innovators are shaping the future of space exploration and strengthening India's presence in the global space arena.